Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we will talk about the important topics for business law subject for BCom students. These are the important topics for the year 2020. So let's start. As you know, the paper is about in two sections. Section A is for 70 marks and section B is for 30 marks, altogether 100 marks. So let's first see how many topics you should cover in the industrial law portion, which is for 30 marks. Three questions are given in this portion and you have to choose any two questions. So for those two questions, you can opt from these topics which may come as a part question or as a long question. Provisions relating to working hours and holidays of women workers and child workers. This is from the Factories Act. Then another topic could be provision relating to health and welfare of workers. This is again from the Factories Act. Then we have unfair labor practices of workmen and employer. This is from the chapter of IRA, Industrial Relation Act, or you can say Industrial Relation Ordinance. Then the important topic could be when is employer liable and not liable to pay compensation. This is from the chapter Workmen Compensation Act. This portion consists of three chapters from the business law book. Khalid Mahmood Shima book is very good for these all topics. You can search my channel for these topic lectures as well. So must learn all these topics. In the last question, question number 10, a short note question is given. Again, some choices there. These are the important topics which could be given in the short notes. Inspector, certifying surgeon. These two are from the Factories Act. Strikes and lockouts, collective bargaining agent, labor court, work council, NIRC, trade union. You will find all these topics either in the Factories Act or the Industrial Relation Act. So you must prepare these important topics for the paper 2020 given by Karachi University. Let's see the section A important topics now, which is for 70 marks. You have to choose any 4 questions from this portion. These are the important topics which could be given in the paper 2020. Essentials of a valid contract. This is from the chapter The Contract Act. In the first chapter you will find this topic. An easy topic, at least 10 essentials you should cover: offer and acceptance, consideration, free consent, capacity to contract. All these are the contents of a valid contract. You must learn this. Then another topic from the Contract Act could be bailment and pledge. Then you should study discharge of contract and its remedies. These are the important topics from the Contract Act. Furthermore, you should study discharge of surety from liability. This is from the Contract of Guarantee. From the Contract of Agency, you should prepare termination of agency. You should prepare position of minor in a contract, which is from the chapter of capacity to contract. Furthermore, there are topics which could be found in the quasi-contract chapter, finder of lost goods. 2 to 3 questions are given from the Contract Act, so you must prepare these topics at least. Then from the Carriage of Goods Act, this is always important topic, clauses of charter party. You should prepare the common carrier topic from the Carriage of Goods Act, that is common carrier, rights and duties and liabilities of a common carrier are also important. Then from the Sales of Goods Act, you should prepare doctrine of caveat emptor, or you can say the rule of caveat emptor, which means let the buyer beware. From the Sales of Goods Act, you should prepare this topic. Differences between sale and agreement to sell are always important. You should study this too. Then rights of unpaid seller is a very important topic. You should study this too. Conditions and warranties in a contract of sale is also a very important topic which you should study. Implied authority of a partner is a topic from the Partnership Act which you should study. Kinds of partners and their rights should also be studied by you. Essentials of a credit instrument is an important topic from the chapter of credit instruments. In this portion, again, question number 7 is about short notes, and this could be the topics important for the short notes. You must prepare free consent, types of contract, rights and duties of partners. Any differences can also be given, like differences between charter party and bill of lading, or the differences between common carrier and private carrier, or the differences between bailment and pledge, or the differences between indemnity and guarantee. So you must prepare these topics for the paper 2020 of BCom 2 Business Law All the very best. For more important topics in the upcoming days, subscribe my channel and keep watching Commerce Lecturer Online. Thanks for watching.